Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Zain JJ. Today we're gonna come to a topic on SLP. Basically, we're gonna talk about money, and after that, from there, how do you like make money, and how do you even make even more money, and after that, more and more money. So in this video, we're gonna cover it all, and after that, it is a money sensitive topic. So yeah, basically, I'm gonna tell you guys how do you even like make money on Axie Infinity, and of course, how can you make more money as well. So before we get started, I would like to introduce you to my Discord channel, which I am currently hosting. It's a server that I'm doing, and after that, from there, from time to time, I will do like giveaways in my Discord channel. And of course, if you want to join the channel itself, there's a tip over here, so just click on the description link down below, and after that, from there, read the terms and conditions and click on the thumbs up, and you will be able to access all this page over here. And from there, we have discussion like trading towards like normal cryptocurrency, talking about like startups project, of course, how to avoid scams, and after that, from there, like Axie Infinity scholarship, and of course Axie Infinity basically like the content about Axie Infinity, everything about crypto on the Discord channel. So if you want to like find a community for free, basically I'm offering this community for free. I'm building this community for free, so you guys want to, you can join it, and after that, from there, exchange information, and of course be friendly over there. We won't bite. And after that, over here, we're gonna jump into the topic, what is Axie Infinity, for those who are super new to the channel, and after that, you are learning on what is Axie Infinity, of course. So this is the segment for newbies, and after that, I would say people who are researching, so you can watch the segment. If let's say you do not want to watch about this segment, just skip to the next one, how do you make money playing about this game. So we're gonna start now. So basically, what is Axie Infinity? It's a mobile game which I will say it is relatively similar to Summoner's War, the mobile application, if you have played the game Summoner's War. So this is the game Summoner's War. I would say the concept is relatively similar. Basically, you get some what do I call it, heroes slash pets to basically battle for you in the game, and it is something like that. The Axie looks like this, and after that, from there, you need to basically, this is a pay to start game. Basically, what do I mean by that? You need to buy this type of pets over here, which people call Axie. So you have to buy it, and after that, the minimum to buy is 3 of it, and after that, I would say one of these pet itself is as high as, I mean, like as low as $100 US, all the way to as high as like $1,000 for one pet only. So of course, you have to know how does this concept work. Basically, it's an NFT blockchain crypto game which you can play to earn potentially, and after that, we're gonna explain to you how do you play to earn, and of course, how do you improve, and of course, we're gonna give you some tips about that. So over here, the Summoner's War like game is over here, and after that, to talk about it, the token that you will be hearing in the game itself, one of it is the AXS, which is the governance token. What's the governance token? Basically, you will need to have, if let's say you hold more of this Axie Infinity token, you will basically have a voting power towards the game's future. So let's say they want to have upgrade, reduce fee or whatsoever, you can use the AXS token as a governance, as like a voting power, like a ticket to basically cast your votes, and after that, from there, you can basically path the game towards the direction that the community want. And of course, the second thing that we're going to talk about is the SLP token, which is the game native, the currency token that you will be rewarded in, and after that, from there, you will be looking at this from a day-to-day basis and every day, if let's say you are playing the game. And of course, I would say this SLP token itself, it is the currency, the in-game currency, I would say, for you to basically create more Axie. Of course, you will need AXS as well to create more Axie. So basically, these two tokens play a part to this ecosystem as well. And after that, over here, we're gonna talk about how do players make money on Axie Infinity. So over here on this topic itself, I have done a playlist about this, basically previously a video about Axie Infinity, how do people make thousands playing Axie Infinity, but it's a very like summarized video, like talking about the concept and everything. But in this video, it's much more in depth. So if you want, you're gonna click on the thumbnail, which is gonna pop up above, and after that, from there, you can learn more about this video. Alright, so how do people make money over here? Is very simple. Once you bought your Axie itself, you are gonna like spend from, I would say, a ranging of, to be honest, you will spend Ethereum to buy. So 0.2 Ethereum is more than enough to basically get a full team. And after that, I would say a basic team. Of course, this is all pure, which I have handpicked, and of course, it is much more it's not all on the floor price, but then of course, these are the standard team that you want: a tank, attacker, and after another attacker somehow. Basically, these are plant, beast, and aqua. So this is my standard team. Of course, there's a lot of other teams that you can play with, but this is just my own opinion on getting the team like this. And after that, 0.3 team to start off with. And after that, how do you earn money? Very simple. One of it is the quest function over here. So on the quest function over here, you have to check in daily, you have to win 5 arena matches and complete 10 adventure mode. Over here, you can claim 25 SLP by doing that, completing this task. So 25 SLP is how much is it? So over here, we can just do a calculation. 25, it is around $1.68. Some of you might feel that, hey, this is peanut. And of course, of course, we can jump into the next thing. Is basically the adventure mode. So on the adventure mode itself, the second way for you to earn is basically grind. What do I mean by grind? You have to keep playing all these stages over and over again to basically complete this 50 out of 50 over here. So how much will you earn in total? So if let's say you complete these two, you complete the daily check-in, and after that from there you also like completed the grinding, 75 SLP is a minimum that you will get per day. I would say that's the minimum. The least you will get is $5 of playing this, of course, at the price of this as well. So 75 SLP is the minimum that people will make money off playing this game itself. So I would say, if let's say you're playing your Summoner's War, or let's say you're going to play your Clash of Clans or whatsoever game, how much are you getting paid to play all this game? I would say $0. Instead, you are paying them to play the game. And after, what do I mean by that? Basically, you're buying all the in-game items to basically enhance your stuff, and of course, yeah, basically all the bulk purchases that you have done, basically you're not even making any money by playing the game. Instead, you're paying. But on Axie Infinity, you only pay one time. Basically, you get you spend on the Axie itself, and after that from there you can use the Axie to basically generate you money. So I would say it's like buying a motorbike, and after that from there you are like making money off the motorbike, something like that, or you will want to stay car. So basically this is how the concept works itself, and after that from there a minimum of 75 SLP is guaranteed if let's say you are grinding, and after that you are basically fulfilling all the quests over here. So these are the minimum that you will get. So right now we're going to talk about the tips on how do you improve your daily basically grinding session, and of course slash making more money. So over here, if let's say you are new to the thing itself, what do I mean by how do you improve more? So I already said the minimum to get is 75 of the quest and the adventure mode, but of course on the arena itself you can get more than over here as per ranking. So if let's say you are new to the whole ecosystem, basically you will receive this over here. Your rank will be 1200, and after that, if let's say you started playing and you understand how does your team work, and of course you already like read out a lot of tutorial, and of course you are a professional in basically I would say in theory, and of course right now you are doing a practical. Basically you are trying to play the game, and after from there generate as much income as you need. So over here on the game itself, a minimum of 75 SLP is guaranteed. Why is that? So if let's say you are trash, I would say not say trash, but you are total newbie on the game itself, on arena you lose all the game, and after that from there your rank bracket is less than 800. Basically every time if let's say you are less than 800, you will play, and after that from there you will tend to win on the games itself, and after that I would say on the game itself you will gain 0 SLP if let's say you are rank 800 and below. So if let's say you are somehow professional and you manage to stay afloat on the default that they are offering you 1200, if let's say you are bouncing around this range itself, every win you get 6 SLP. So let's say you have a win rate ratio of 50%, basically you'll win 10 games in this bracket, and you will lose 10 games as well. So one day you can get 60 SLP. So over here we are gonna head back over here. 60 SLP, how much is this? 75 plus 60. I'm just gonna do the calculation over here. Plus 60. So you're getting 135 of playing this game. So 135 is around $10 per day, and if you multiply that by 30 days itself, you are getting like how much is it? To be honest, my math sucks. So $10, almost $10 a day times 30. Oh, okay, it's around $300, man. Just think about that. Every day you are using your mobile phone, and after that from there every day you are playing this game itself. Not say a guarantee, but of course an average of getting $10 a day is somehow reasonable. So within a month itself you can get back $300, and after that on top of that, if let's say you spend 300 on your game itself, you will ROI quite quickly. To be honest, if let's say you bought 3 XO at $100 each at the floor price, and after you manage to get a hang on the arena and stuff like this, you are basically getting paid back in your money within like a month. So I would say why not? And after that from there, another tip about it is basically gonna talk about the bracket. So the higher you climb, basically on MMR, what is this arena bracket? What does it mean? It's basically called the MMR bracket, and after that from there we're gonna show it to you. So over here, this is the bracket over here. So over here you can see the highest right now is 2,700, and after that we can see every win that he does, he will get at least 20 SLP. So imagine that if let's say you're a professional player, you climb as high as let's just not talk about 1,750, which is kind of high. So I'm going to talk about this range itself, because we started at 1,200, and after that we just say about this range, 9 SLP per day. And of course over here, additional 9 SLP, and let's say we have a win rate ratio of 50%, that's just on average, you are getting like 90 SLP per day. And after that, just imagine how much can you earn. 75 plus 90, just count. Okay, so around 165. So 165, round it up, also $10 plus 665. Damn, okay, it's around $11. So over here, $11 you are earning per day, and you are making like $310, something like that. So just think about it, and after that, how do you like improve in it? You basically, I would say, you really need practice on the game itself. You have to understand how does all the cards works, and after that, from there, every game you play, you have to like legit read the cards that the opponent have, and after that, from there, this is how you improve your grinding. Basically, arena is the way that you can earn a lot of money. And of course, you another tip I want to share is on the game itself. If let's say you have zero energy, right, over here you can see there's no SLP logo over here. That means you can keep playing your arena, doesn't matter, but the only thing that is affecting you is only your MMR. So if let's say you lose the game, you will drop towards the ranking, and after, let's say you win the game, you will climb towards the ranking up and up, but of course you will not get any SLP per win or per lose or even a draw. So on adventure mode itself is different. You can get SLP as high as 50 per day. So what people normally do is the tip over here that I will share is people normally do is basically they will grind the first week or second week. They will grind their game, the adventure mode, all the way, I do not know until when. Basically they will keep grinding, and after that, from there they will level up their Axie to level 21 or something like that. And after that, from there, it is easier for them to do their daily grinds to get this 50 SLP, because this is a maximum that you will get, and after you can't get more of this. So people want to get it over fast. Basically in the future, you can, if let's say you are a beginner, you are getting like if I'm not wrong, for a beginner itself, you will spend at least 1 or 2 hour, 2 hour max, I would say, playing the whole game, and after that, from there, achieving this 75 minimum SLP. And after that, if let's say you are already an advanced player, you play for 2 weeks, you already push your adventure mode to the highest, and you have a very high level Axie. Within half an hour, you can complete all these 50 SLP grind. So this is one of the tip that I know of. And after that, the next thing is, after week 1 or week 2, people will start grinding the arena, and from there they will keep climbing their ranks. And from there, the higher you go, the more SLP you get, of course. So it's very interesting. And after that, normally I would say on average, people will get around, the first time, if let's say you are playing, it is around 75 SLP, yes, definitely. And if let's say after a week or 2 weeks, you can get at least 100 and plus. And of course, right now, this is the one of the way you can earn by playing yourself. And the next thing is basically the scholarship concept, which you can basically generate a passive income for yourself by doing this. So over here for the scholarship concept itself, if let's say you guys are interested, join my Discord, and from there you can apply for a scholarship, basically playing the game for free. So this concept over here is for those who do not want to spend a single dollar by paying for the game upfront, and after that, from there, play on it. Some of you guys, I understand you guys can't afford it, and after that, from there, you guys need to support family. So I would say that this game over here is really helping people out in their daily lives. Basically, they can play, and after that, from there, this game can support their family, I would say. Even though you might think $300, 300 US dollar in your country, maybe in Singapore or maybe in the United States, those more developed country, you might feel that, oh, $300 is nothing. It is like within like 3 days I can finish this $300, and after that, from there, I will need to earn more. So to be honest, in some other part of the country or the world, I would say $300 US can feed them for almost a month or so. So I would say this game help people feed people's mouth, I would say, put food on the table, something like that. So over here, I would say that over here, it is the scholar concept, basically for those who have much more wealth, and after that, from there, they want to invest in this game, and after that, get this passive income. So how does this scholarship work? Basically, same thing, you need to buy 3 Axie, put it on another account on the Ronin address. Basically, you can own as many Ronin address as you want, just one private key, you need to hold it, and after that, from there, never let anyone know about your private keys. And after that, from there, get your Axie, send it to the account, and after that, from there, you just send the QR code to your scholar. That how do you want to pick on scholar itself, I'm going to tell you on the tips. So we're going to jump into it right now. Alright, so over here on my channel itself, on my Discord channel, I'm trying to recruit more, basically more manager. If let's say you are a person who are interested in this, basically you want to get into the Axie Infinity business, you want to basically like spend some of your Ethereum to basically convert it to Axie Infinity, and from there you can generate a stream of passive income. Basically, what do I mean by passive, which I already mentioned at the start. If let's say you want to find a scholarship, basically you ask people to play for you, and from there you can like generate money off their playings, and after that you do a profit sharing with them, 20 all the way to 50 or whatsoever you want to do it. So over here on my channel, on my Discord, I'm trying to find managers to join me, because I have like bunch of people who are, I would say, really hardworking, and after that, from there, they really want this scholarship. So to be honest, I myself, I can't be probably like throwing all my assets, all my money into Axie Infinity to just give people scholarship, because to be honest, do not put all your investment in one basket. That's the golden rule of investing. Therefore, I'm trying to find people who are trying to get into this Axie Infinity game itself, let's say you are totally new, it's okay, you can join me in my Discord channel. And right now I'm not charging any fee, to be honest. I'm just giving out like free advice, and after that from there in the future we might be charging a fee or whatsoever, but of course that will be implemented in the future. But right now we are trying to find people who are interested in joining us, and after that from there build a community of manager and scholars. And after that from there over here, you can basically, I'll give you access to my form if let's say you're a manager, and after that from there you can read out the applications. And of course from the application itself you can choose the scholar that you want, and after that just update me. So over here you will gain access on my application form. So over here for the tips itself, you guys can see over here I have 3 scholar under me. So this is Community itself is doing under average of 75, but it's okay. I understand the situation because yeah, basically some family matters, so I'm not gonna just tell you more. So over here you can look at this. Over here on this, I would say if let's say you are a manager already, you want to use to keep track your scholar itself, Axie itself, I would say is one of the much more advisable, advisable website that will ask you to do to basically to keep a record of your scholars and your account. And after that from there you can see when is your next claim, and after that so on and so forth. And of course you can see how well is your scholar doing, and of course from here you can look at the MMR as well, and after that as well as your own. And after that from here you can see the MMR per win. It's going to tell you on the average is 3, 6, and after that over here is 1. So this website itself is quite one of the very interesting one. And of course I would say for the scholar for manager itself, I believe that many people that they want scholarship, and after that most of them they just come and after that they just say, hey, I want a scholarship, and they can guarantee that they can do 150 SLP to 200 or even 300. That's crazy. To be honest, if let's say they have experience in the game itself, yes, they might be able to do that, but of course I would say 20% of them might be able to do that, but of course 80% they are not able to do that because they just tell you they can do it for the sake of the scholarship, because they want to basically play and earn. Therefore they tell you they can do 150 or even 300. And of course there's some manager out there, they are offering like 150 SLP per day, and I would say that it is not, it's not really not possible to get. But then if let's say the team that you give your scholar itself is trash, how are you expecting them to win on arena, and after that from there get this amount over here? So let's say the team is really trash, they might only be landing on 950 and below, and every win is 1 SLP, and let's say they use 20 energy per day, they are only getting 20 SLP. If let's say they win, they're only getting like 20 SLP plus 75, which is 95 SLP per day. And I would say that, yeah, how do you even want him to get 130 SLP per day, unless you can say he's very pro and very good, staying above the average, on the average itself, and after that from there get generating 9 SLP per win, 50% win rate. Of course it's possible to do that. And after that basically the next thing we're going to talk about is the outro. So over here we have come to the end of the video. I would like to basically tell people out there who are looking for scholarship, you can join my Discord channel, and after that fill in the form, and of course from there I recruit like manager from time to time to basically give out scholarship as well. And after that over here we want to announce that there's a scam that is ongoing on airdropscams.com, which is a website that I've been building up basically to warn people that there's like scams going on the, what is that called, smart contract platform, which is running on Binance Smart Chain. Currently you will receive like free airdrops, and after that you might feel you will go and check the free airdrop that you receive, maybe it's worth from $50 all the way to $40,000, which is too good to be true. And after that from there people are getting scammed because of this, and I want you to be very careful. And after that just visit the website to learn more about it, and of course share with your friends and family this video as well. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.